Let's take a look at the picture I've placed on the top of page 2. Notice they're keys from a piano. But do you see I don't have the whole piano keyboard pictured, just a small section. Now if you've ever counted all the black and white notes on a piano, you'd know that there are 88 black and white notes combined. Now I've just put a few up there, and I've done that just to make a point. There are only 7 different names of notes, A through G, in the musical alphabet. Here's your first foundational pattern. 7 different names of notes, and they repeat over and over again up and down the keyboard. Now take a look at the picture again. Remember, this is just a small section of the keyboard. Notice though, even in this small section, you've got a couple of A's. There's one to the right and then one on the left. But if I had the entire keyboard laid out for you, you would notice that there would be a few more A's, a few more B's, a few C's, D's, E's, F's, and G's. But notice there's no H's, right? No LMNOPs. The extent of the musical alphabet is A through G. Then they repeat over and over again up and down the keyboard. Like I said, it's a foundational pattern. Let me show you. We're going to talk about finding particular note names now. You've just got to find where these notes lie in relation to the groups of black notes on the keyboard. Do you see this group of 2 black notes? Just to the left is always C. Now look for another group of 2 black notes on the keyboard. Here's a group of 2. Just to the left is C. Remember I told you you would see lots of C's, D's, E's, F's, and G's? There's another C. Okay, that's one of 2 note names I'm going to have you memorize. Look to the left of a group of 3 black notes. That's always F, okay? Here's an F. Just to the left of a group of 3 black notes, way down low. Okay, I'm just going to have you memorize C and F. From there, we'll be able to find all the other note names quickly. Let me show you. If you can quickly find a C on the keyboard, it's easy enough to go one more in the alphabet then and find this note, right? It's D. Let's go back to C. Now, I'm going to have you think backwards for a second, but you know what? Musicians are kind of backwards anyways. So let's think backwards in the alphabet. B as in boy, right? How about one more backwards? A as in apple. So if you can quickly find C, you can find the notes around C. Let's look at F. You can quickly find any F on the keyboard, can't you? Just find any group of 3, go to the left, you've got an F. Now, if you find F, you go one more in the musical alphabet, G, right? Okay, let's go back to F and go backwards, right? Backwards 1 in the alphabet from F is E. Okay, so now, guess what? In a couple of minutes now, you've learned how to find all the note names on the keyboard just by memorizing where the F's are and where the C's are. Then you can find the notes in the general vicinity of either one of those notes. Let's go on.